up there, YouTube? This is Crazy Working Man, and I will clean my room tomorrow. Yeah, let's dirt and nastiness has to go bye-bye. Yeah, you can tell I was watching my own gameplay footage for Crazy Magic Hawk Man. Yeah, I'm just did a lot of work. Sorry, no film of the work, but I will film me cleaning my room. And to do that, I will have to also clean the whole house. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna have some fun. Right now, my shoulder's killing me. I did a lot of work today. Lots of work. So, excuse me. Yeah, lots of work I did. Think about going back to podcasting on basically podbean.com, and hopefully I do some podcasting, but right now, or podcasters dot what's it called, podcasters powered by, I don't know, Spotify, which is awesome. That's where I do all my gaming podcasts. What used to be Anchor, but now it's just podcasters. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm just gonna chill, probably clean my floor tomorrow. So, and I'll also do some podcasting later. So, be prepared for that because I think I still have an account through my Crazy Magic Hawk Man thing. So, anyways, yeah, peace. There'll be videos for me cleaning my room, the whole house, and everything else. Yay.